Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. Follow on Google News. Ducks Airdrop, upcoming token listing and xKuCoin updates can't miss. xKuCoin is a unique and exciting initiative that combines humor and engagement to bring the Telegram community together. With a playful meme-based approach, xKuCoin aims to unite members of the Telegram flock through fun interactions and rewarding experiences. In this article, we'll explore the xKuCoin Airdrop, how you can earn $Ducks tokens, and a sneak peek into their upcoming xKuCoin feature. What is xKuCoin? xKuCoin is all about connecting Telegram users in an entertaining way. This initiative encourages interaction, participation in mini-games, and task completion to reward members with $Ducks tokens. By creating a fun ecosystem within Telegram, xKuCoin offers users the chance to earn free tokens and become part of a growing community. Step-by-step guide to participate in xKuCoin Airdrop. Participating in the xKuCoin Airdrop is simple and straightforward. Here's how you can start earning free Ducks tokens. 1. Launch the xKuCoin Airdrop bot on Telegram. The airdrop begins by interacting with the official bot on Telegram. You can join through https://t.me/duckscoop_bot/app?startapp=BZOVOPWSXO. 2. Earn based on your Telegram account age. The bot will automatically calculate and reward you with $Ducks tokens based on the age of your Telegram account. 3. Complete tasks and participate in mini-games. The more you engage with the platform, the more $Ducks tokens you can earn. This includes completing tasks and playing fun mini-games designed to keep the community engaged. 4. Invite friends to earn more. You can boost your Ducks earnings by inviting friends to join the Telegram community. The more friends you invite, the more tokens you can earn. 5. Connect your wallet. Make sure to connect your wallet to secure and track your token earnings. Upcoming xKuCoin feature and Ducks token listing updates. While the official listing date and price of Ducks tokens remain unannounced, the project has been hinting at exciting upcoming developments. One of the most anticipated features is the xKuCoin, a decentralized exchange within the xKuCoin ecosystem. This new feature will enable users to swap tokens, including $TON and Ducks tokens, offering greater flexibility and utility for the community. Stay tuned for more updates as the project rolls out new advancements.